No matter how cool they are, not every ingredient has to be a main character. Just like Onion Gang Garbanzo, Season 4, Episode 7, who died a very tragic death and wasn't able to make it as a main character. Steven Universe franchise. He was my favorite character. Same goes for his real-life counterpart, Chickpeas. You know, sometimes they're better served as a side to some other fancy dish like insert dish name here or insert other dish name here. Well, today we'll be looking at how to make chickpeas into the perfect side dish for any meal. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. As I said before, we're going to be making a side dish out of these chickpeas over here, or you could call them garbanzos. Well, let's get started. We'll be using Panko Breadcrumbs, ground cumin, some paprika, oregano, diced tomatoes, 1 red onion, salt, pepper, some spinach, 1 garlic clove, just 1, all you need, and our chickpeas. We're going to start by prepping our ingredients. First, we're going to cut our red onion into halves and then dice them into very fine sized pieces. After this, we are going to do the same with our garlic, except we are not going to cut it in half. We're just going to smash it with the end of the knife and then proceed to cut it into tiny pieces. We're going to place this in a bowl and set it aside. We're going to take the stems off our spinach leaves, like so. And then we're just going to bundle them up into like a nice roll and then proceed to cut it. It makes it so much easier. Next, in our bowl, we're going to add our ground cumin, our paprika, and our panko breadcrumbs to our chickpeas mixture and just let them get to know each other a little bit. Set that aside and we'll move on to the next thing. In a medium or large saucepan, we're going to just saute our garlic and then add in our spinach. We're going to just mix these up for a little bit till it's wilted. If you realize you need to add some more, which I did halfway through this episode, go ahead, add it in. Add in some salt and pepper and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is done, we're going to add in our chickpea mixture and let them get to know each other a little bit. Heat this up for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat and then set it aside while we move on to our next thing. Over medium heat, we're just going to saute our onions on a saucepan or in a nice bowl until they're nice and translucent. Then we're going to add in our cup of crushed tomatoes, seasoned with salt and pepper to taste, of course, and cook this for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in our oregano at this point, and we're going to simmer this for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and taste it, make sure it's good. Bring it to a simmer, close it up, and let it sit for about 2 more minutes. Like I said earlier, this is a very short episode because it's just a side dish. So just find any nice looking bowl and plate your chickpeas on it and then spoon over your nice tomato garlic sauce. Well, it's just tomato sauce. The garlic is actually in the spinach, but you get the point. Top with some nice parsley, or if you're feeling crazy, go ahead, add some Parmesan cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see the trailer for this episode, click up there. If you want to see another episode, go ahead and click down there.
Nobody is going to see it.
Yo, it matters to me, because I can't put my napkin in my things.
Oh.